Hey everyone, welcome back to Snipper Coder. I am super excited about this course because today we are starting something really special. We are going to build a complete professional point of sale system using Flutter and a WooCommerce as our backend. This is not just another tutorial. By the end of this course, you will have production ready POS application that you can actually use in a real business. Let me show you what we are building. So here our POS application, on the left side we have our product catalog with the search and the category filtering. On the right hand side we have our shopping cart with the real-time totals. So here we have our categories. If we click on any of the categories, it will show the related category products, and these are coming directly from the WooCommerce. So here we have our real-time search. Like if we search anything, it will directly show here. Like here, if we put watch, you can see here it will filter the products and all. And whenever we click on any product, it will add to the cart. You can see here again, if we click here, it will increase the quantity of that product. Even we can adjust the quantity with the plus and minus or we can remove item completely from here also. You can see here. So whenever we increase and decrease, you can notice here the subtotal and the text is also changing according to the quantity and all. And here we have the multiple payment method, that is card, cash, digital and the gift card. You can add according to your requirement. When we click on the complete order, it will create a real order in our WooCommerce and we will get the confirmation with the order number directly from the WooCommerce. If I click here, you can see here we are getting here order successfully created in the WooCommerce, and here we have the order number 80 and the total it's coming here. And if we go to the WooCommerce, you can see here we have the order number 80 POS customer and status coming as a processing. Here the total amount. When we click here, it will show all the information which is coming from our POS application. You can see here this is the product which we have added in the POS application. So now you might be wondering why build a POS system. First, POS system are everywhere. Retail store, restaurant and the service business needs one. This is the real world and the practical knowledge. Secondly, this project covers almost everything you need to know about professional Flutter development. That will include API integration, state management, clean architecture, error handling and the complex UI layouts. Thirdly, this is the exciting part. The architecture we will use lets you swap the backend easily. Today it's WooCommerce. Tomorrow it could be your own NodeJs server or the Firebase. That is the power of the clean architecture. So let's talk about our technology stack. For the front end, we are using Flutter Google UI Toolkit for building beautiful natively compiled applications. We are targeting desktop platform like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. For state management, we are using Provider. It is simple, efficient and recommended by the Flutter team. For the dependency injection, we are using Getit. This is our service locator that manages how objects are created. For the backend, we are using WooCommerce. It is one of the most popular e-commerce platform. It has a fantastic REST API, and for the architecture, we are following clean architecture principle. This is what make our code maintainable, testable, and flexible. By the end of this course, you will be able to implement clean architecture properly, not just theory, actual working code. Number 2, use Provider for the state management in a scalable way. Number 3, integrate with the REST API and handle all the edge cases like errors, loading states and the empty results. Number 4, build professional desktop UI with the Flutter. So here how the course is structured. We have divided into 8 modules. First module will be the introduction, the setup, that where we are now. The second will be the clean architecture deep dive, and we will understand the theory and the setup for our core utilities. And module 3 will be the domain layer. We will create our business entities and the use cases. Module 4, data layer, and we will build our API integration and the data model. Module 5, presentation layer, state management and our provider implementation. Module 6, presentation layer, UI and all our widgets and screens. Module 7, WooCommerce integration, connecting everything together. And module 8 will be the advanced topic and the deployment. So there are going to be 25 videos in total and about around 9 hours of content. I will recommend watching each in order since each video built on the previous one. Alright, that's the overview. You know what we are building and why. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe and share with the other Flutter developers. See you in the next video.